What?
Police people everywhere.
Eh?
Police people everywhere.
Where you see them?
No, besides, I see. I hear them. I hear them. I hear Pamwupa. I hide the other side, Pamwupa. Enter the other side, Pamwupa. I say, mother, you call them things they say I come out.
The Chris. So not ordinary Pamwupa you hear you couple. Mom said the guy got the vigilant. I sang no Pamwupa you couple. Pamwupa my moke police. Eh?
Pamwupa granga.
Oh yeah, neighbor. A stupid woman. Man knows on Lama Kank. Who don't wear uniform when you like a TV shade. Udo bodo na agwụla nye wozu ka na-ebu ihe Bruga Church Assembly Bruga Mission na-ebu ho gozi ihe awdo ihe awdo plus ndị ihe awdo sayari ndị police gi mepu mo obi so jiga go na bebe da bi ụmụ nwoke ajụla ga ajụjụ
ashinkenta enwekwara nke tọrọ ha niile ọ dị n'ụdị ọ dipendịrị na nke a gwara gị o.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm fine, sir. What is more important is that the CP needs results at all costs regarding this Sergeant Imo and his wife's matter. As a matter of fact, I am here now to see what details or information you have on both of them, so that we can move up ahead and apprehend them.
Okay, that's all right. I think we will still have his files. Let me get to those files. I think that will lead us to somewhere.
Yes, sir. Very well, sir. Please, it will help us a lot.
Let's go to my office.
Person clothes just like that. Make I see you here again. No go buy clothes. No go find work. And people are going to teach
Thief. Just go thief person clothes. When they assault inside the injury, would they run for their life? They come go do this one. So if the village people can see us now, kill us. See, if they kill you, go leave you. That one concern you.
I no blame you. I no go blame you. Or some make a run no bass. Who could have never met a waiting person go do you so you go happy. You see, we there here since they find plan. Okay, go to the market. Gani my guys there. You kopu ganga. My John Wanda musu na chugoso. You be go pick. Pamwupa gi kopu. Ambala sibiri brozu ka habuge go mochari ganga hangazirike. Gi no da ha kopu. Yanga some the police na chugoso.
That if you go become self, not be police. Just you just go. Piam! You don't thief people clothes. Papa, you don't run out. Go the assault inside the injury. So if like say they catch us now, so what you go do? We don't run for police. You see go thief on top that one. Like say village people come catch us. We put tire for our neck, come begin shout on those show, up on those show. See, if you die on your own, you die Sarah. Don't consign me.
I'm not gonna blame you. You can say whatever you want to say. Emeka Emelo. There's nothing a person go do for you to when you say if they do and you go happy. Your mind just the paper you all the time, blah 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 blah. You can never suggest and you can never take cover. Stupid woman. Not be like say make go market go buy clothes. If you ever home abra go so. Ndo mona for the gig about hotel. Ndo to go like all your evil spirit they come gather. Come blow siren for your pick card hana give cope also. Osbi grote ndi mozi egbo pike ndi mozi na eruwari ndi mozi opike shugo na mbari gweda pio ikobu balalonga go to the market buy clothes Now I can't use my own donor blangata, use all my tactics. Go see people where no sabi keep something. Say make I collect and keep them well for them. Still, you are not satisfied. Until you go one before you go no side they marry you well.
All your tactics in negative things. Evil, crafty things. Sharp. You dey quick remember bad things. No be symptoms of ohin. No be symptoms of ohin for blood. See my tell you, see this thing. I no go wear am. I no go wear am.
They take nonsense, you no go.
You know we make you leave am now.
I know they taking nonsense at all.
You want trust. You want. You need.
Ichanyi piaka sewa. I'm a sergeant in Nigerian police, yo.
I want us to go to my mother's place and settle. At least go there, find good shed over our head. Eh? My mother's place is comfortable and okay. Let's go there and stay with her younger sister for now. Biko.
You say your idea fine well. But the problem is which road won't take fast go this journey now? Eh? Everywhere pamopa. If you put head now, so police will take catch us. Why be the problem? Which road?
Can you say something without mentioning police? Police is logo. Police are tabiri home. Whatever that we have with police people have ended. We don't have any business with them anymore. So don't bring them into anything I talk. Besides, my mother have replaced me in their custody. Yes, ha hala moron them. Ponya chwara mwe. Ge ni ba ho be. Ha chwana me them. So I have been captured. So both of us are free from police ammunition and the harassment.
But you just the talk like they old chick. My mama tell the bless me. Football substitute. Oh, the like in a back bench. Now, but you from 9, it gave about 3, about 7. Yes. So come on, says no tell you say. Once they see you, they will release your mama. Once they don't catch you now, they will release your mama. Your mama just they stand there because they never see you. They see you.
Once they catch you?
Once they catch you now, no be you the police.
That one concern you. Nobody they catch me anything. I'm uncatchable. I'm as been a minute. Hashibi mishibi. Hashuti mishuti. Take am ga mi do okro. Na me. Na me.
Ebi gena meche.
Oh boy. Dad. Come on, wetin dey happen now? You know what they do like wetin happen? Guy, no advance. Wetin happen? As in as they see me now, I know they happy. I just did this morning now. Now I dey hear noise for my backyard. As I go, now I see one man dey thief my clothes. Wait. Oh boy, see as I dey come, you get one man and one woman. That man wear that your clothes, especially that red one where you dey like well. I see the man with that your clothes. Come now, if you want that, you might go show you the man. No go now.
Onye na-ekwu akụkọ ifo. Onye na-ekwu onye na-akọ ife akụkọ ifo. Onye na-ekwu onye na-akọ ife
collecting everywhere because you think you are in a lawless community. Listen, let me tell you. I, the legal seminary, I have arrived. So you better think of something to do. Better think of how to relocate because you will not stand my venom.
Point of observation. Legal
Objection overruled, my lord. Objection overruled, my lord. Thank you for imagining into my legal intermediate. As a legal practice, I am. And as an intermediate seminary, illuminative, illuminary. The consonant, very important. Like my lord have rightly spoken. You guys better think of something better to do. You have to relocate. I can't stand you smoking in the public, poisoning the whole places with smoke. I have arrived. This place cannot oversize both of us because I am a legal practice.
The people you are seeing before you, standing before you, are qualified legal practitioners of high degree. Yes. In other words, sound. Sound. Ask them. The last time we had your Peter panel, remember? Remember what happened?
They don't know what they are doing. If they know what they are doing, they will, if immediately they see us or they set their eyes on us coming, they will emerge into respect.
Please. Enough of all this vocabulary word that you speak here. What do you mean your own self? Why do they behave like this now? When I walk up una useless chamber for my hand, make una come on here, Jory. This one.
Quiet!
This is an embarrassment to the Royal Court of Nigeria.
What you did, yeah? What you just did now is tantamount to life imprisonment.
Again.
Fulfillment of your sin.
Simple. Because there is no two ways about it.
Yes.
In the book of Psalm, chapter, the law system of
apostrophe.
yes,
Apocryphal, to be precise.
objection overruled my law.
Yes.
You guys should count yourself lucky that we are in the good mood today, and because of the lawless and lawful impersonation
Yes.
that we are into.
For our symbolism.
Thank you. Count yourself lucky, but the next time you will not be as lucky as us. Ignorance. Move. Political insurgency. Damn them. Take my lead.
Political sarcasticated. Imagine.
This one you are wearing this kind gown. Eh? I thought you were a police officer.
Mama, you will not understand. I was a police officer, but now I would. Are we?
We oughtn't.
Oh, so that is it. Formally, we are police officers, like you said.
Yes.
But presently, we are not. Because federal government, that is Federal Republic of Nigeria, incorporated with Federal Lawyers of Barristers Association, they all gathered.
Yes.
Senates gathered.
I think that was after the amalgamation.
After the amalgamation, then we are all migrated into what we are today. Yes. Then after the amalgamation, the government itself now sit down and look at me.
I remembered vividly.
Oh, the government sit down. The way I sat now, what the government teach the seat to? Yeah, sit to look into my matter. Yeah, let him. Oh, he shook his head. Yeah, why I finish? Government, yeah, let me finish. He looked me and shook his head. In disagreement with my present conditional incorporated Nigerian Limited.
Yes.
He said, no, you can't continue to be a police officer because you have a human sympatheria.
Yes, that is the benevolency.
Yes, that is what it is.
Exactly.
He now look at me, saying that no, because of your nature of your
capabilities,
intermediate capability.
Yes.
Hey, he now look into me and said that you are going to be an occultic personality.
Exactly.
Yeah,
that was the word they used.
Occultic personality. And immediately I heard it, I was biased. He said, no, you have human sympathy, you have human feelings, you have human negotiable, and I have human memorandum and addendum. Hey, he said, no, you are going to become something favorable to us. That was why they gathered together and make me a police officer's lawyer.
Hey,
and that is what we are into now.
Oh,
yes.
Mama, that is it. That was how equity began to reign.
Oh my God.
Yes, that was how equity launched in.
as a result of caritas caritatem.
Hey!
Oh.
Yes, that
And
is charitable
how?
mind in Latin and in Greek before the amalgamation. So that is it.
Well, I don't have any problem with that as far as we are making money out of it.
Money is an understatement. Because in all of my help as group, we have made money. We made money so till don't us have money.
We doesn't. We have a lot. We doesn't.
That is it.
But let me ask you, when now is your mother aware that you have been posted down here?
Well, such thing is prohibited.
Strictly prohibited.
Strictly prohibited. Hey, government don't want us to be loose because of some enemies within the neighborhood.
Vagabond and fugitives.
And fugitives. Government look into it and said, no, you people are going to be a securities that we are not going to make it open because of the enemies within.
And the vagabonds and the fugitives.
Here or here. That was exactly the word they used. Vagabonds and then the fugitives.
It's a question of semantics.
Oh, you can say it, my learned colleague.
Hey!
Overruled, my dear.
Yes.
So he said that no, there are so many enemies within the house, within the neighborhood, charitable enemies, household enemies,
Yes.
palatiotic enemies,
And spiritual warfare.
and spiritual warfare equals to all of them will now become equilibrium of equator. Hey, that is where the whole thing landed.
that word, equity.
Oh, shit.
So,
The government said that we should make it a secret, a very top secret at that,
Okay.
until our duty here is being
I think they talked about religious mayhem.
mayhem.
Because there's a way you will voice it out, there'll be pandemonium.
Hey,
that is chaos.
Oh, I forgot.
That word.
Pandemonium.
It's a question of semantics.
Woo!
There's no way we can indulge into indulgence.
It is so synthetic, very synthetic in nature. That is it.
Don't worry. Your secret is safe with me, but not without a cost.
We understand. Mama, you don't have problem. As a whoop in he that blows the whistle wipes his mouth. That is how they translate it in according to the system book of law, the law chamber of Nigeria.
The law terminology.
The law terminology. The year 1985.
Was it 85?
It is 85.
I thought I saw something like 4/85/4/86.
86, 84. Okay, yes, in between 86, 87, towards the end of the year.
By and by.
He made it so clear that whosoever that worketh shall eat it. So that is how it is. You don't have a problem. The only thing you will do for us now is venture into the village, become a town crier,
Ransack.
make yourself available for the devil to
use
not the devil. Sorry, make yourself available for this honorable chamber to make use of you. Tell people, vent into families. Anywhere you see people that are having land disputes, family disputes, marital disputes, relational disputes, friendship dispute,
Occupational dispute,
and finally sexual disputes. Migrate them into this place. We have all it takes to treat them and make it so meh.
Yes, we can indulge into the indulgence.
Oh yes, that is it. So that is it for now. Atam, patam, patam. I rest my case. Court. Better.
I have spoken to you with a language I expected you to understand, but you refused.
Stop going to my land. I mean, stop stepping into my land. In other words, stealing my blood.
Mechiano, will you shut up your mouth? Look at this, Dikeh. Dikeh, you're accusing me of stealing your block. Me, Okechukwu of all people, stealing your block. You're an idiot. Go find better goat and wait there, okay, go lie down sleep. Don't try me. If you try me, I will tell you who I am.
You see the other side of me, idiot. Who told you to steal your block?
Okay, Chuku, you are mad.
Me.
Even if I did not say you.
You are saying I'm nothing.
So many other persons that saw you told me. Eh? Hi.
People saw me collecting your block. You are an idiot.
Okay, Chuku.
I tell you are an idiot.
Shut up.
By the time I finish, don't try me.
Okay, Chuku, turn the fire.
Don't try me. If you don't, if you, I would send on you. Okay, look at it. Okay, Chuku. I will beat your generation, eh? You see this here, Bia? I go chop your generation.
He's okay. Why are you fighting? He's okay, my brother. I thought that you guys are brothers. Why are you fighting?
Imagine Ejike accusing me of Kechuku. Accusing me of stealing his block. In fact, your wife is the next target. Don't try me. If you try me, I'll make sure I synchronize. I'll scatter you, idiot. Nonsense.
Okay, Chuku, you were an idiot.
Me an idiot.
Listen,
I will deal with this boy.
Don't mind this idiot.
I will deal with you. I will deal with you seriously. You don't know me. Idiot.
Listen, stealing runs in their blood. His grandfather was stoned to death because of stealing ordinary pankanel.
Will you shut up your mouth?
2 weeks ago, his wife was caught red-handed stealing Ashankopia.
This boy is an idiot. I will make sure I scatter this boy. This boy is an idiot. In fact, he steal everything. In fact, you are no kereku. It's your grandfather, not my own grandfather. It's your own grandfather. Now me tell you, you are an idiot.
Okay.
Get out. You can do your worst, idiot.
It's okay.
If not for you, If not for you,
am I
you would have allowed me to deal with this idiot.
He's okay. Be a man.
Don't worry, okay, Chuku. Okay, Chuku. Don't worry.
onye na-ekwu akụkọ ifo onye na-ekwu onye na-akọ ifo akụkọ ifo onye na-ekwu onye na-akọ ifo akụkọ ifo nwanne m ọ bụkwa akụkọ ifo akụkọ na-egwu akụkọ ifo.
I am a government lawyer that was sent to this community to speak for those who don't have voice. Every voiceless personality in this community, the government have sent me as a lawyer with a high profile to come here to defend them, to symbolize with them, and to sympathize with them. So I am here to speak for people like you who don't have voice. More especially the less privileged, the poor people who don't have anybody to speak for them. I become their voice.
Barrister, as you can see, I am talking. I have voice. Please.
You have voice, but you are voiceless. When I was coming on my way to this long, high-profile, dignitarized journey, I heard you quarreling with someone. I heard you having some disputes, disargument, dishonor, and dismeheme. Then I decided to know what was happening. Before I knew it, you even want to fight with that person. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Can you please enroll me into this matter? Because I am interested on it.
Okay. Is he not that useless son of a wasted mother that called himself Okechukwu? Okechukwu had the guts to step into my land. Not just that, he stole my blood. Before I could open my mouth and talk, Okechukwu held my clothes and started fighting me in the public. Hi.
You see it? You see the reason why I read barristering? You see it, the reason why government look in the whole entire world, there's no other person to send to this community to speak for people who are molested, who are congested, and who are dislocated. It is because of you. You see it? I hate nepotism in my life. I was sent here because of people like you. And I'm going to make sure Okechukwu face the law. That is why I was sent to this community, to make sure there is no nepotism, quarrelism, and fightology. You will not understand. I am here for you, to make sure anybody who tries to step his or her foot into your own private abdomen must be jailed into concussioner inadequate.
I can do it. Barrister, please, as much as I am interested in what I heard you just mentioned, but I am confused. You are confusing me with all this big grammar. Please break it down. Let me understand where you are going.
Mr. Ejike, you will not understand because you are not a lawyer. If you had read barristering, you would understand where I am coming from. What I want, you will not understand because you are not a barrister. Because if you had read barristering, you will understand where I am coming from. But what I am trying to say in essence is that Okechukwu must go to jail.
Bam.
This case have reached government ear. I am a mobile lawyer. Is that understood?
Very interesting.
Beautiful.
Very interesting.
Beautiful.
Barrister, you see this jail you just mentioned? That is my area of interest. I want to show Okechukwu that I am not the kind of man that he will mess around with.
Good.
See, I will offer anything. I am ready to sell all my lands, and I will give you that money.
That is the spirit.
To make sure that Okechukwu, I want to see Okechukwu go to jail. Let his people come to my house and beg me.
That is my work. See, one thing I want to tell you now.
Yes.
You have to follow me to my chamber.
Okay.
Because I don't want to perceive or get any impersonation over any matter that has to do with land dispute. I am a well-trained and rehearsed government officiative lawyer incorporated. I don't mess around with my cases. Any case like this that enters into my hands, that case is straight to jail. Okechukwu must rot in jail as far as I am concerned. I am a barrister with high profile, for crying out loud. I'm a barrister with dignity. I am a barrister with high dignitized, insufficient acrimony. And when I dambolize into people's case, I meet them, I sit on them, and I make them realize that I am opiotusized into barristering. So you see what I'm telling you? I can do anything to make sure you win this case. Okechukwu is just playing with fire.
Yes.
Because if he had known my academics levelity, oh damn it, he wouldn't have even stepped his foot while I am here as a pronounced, dignified, demoted lawyer. I can kill somebody for your case.
Very good.
I can go to Oshodi for your case. I can go to any high rankarity for your case. I can even kill you for your case. Yes, for you to win the case. The case is yours. Okechukwu must go to jail. You don't have to utter a word because whatever you say here will be used against you in my own court of law. Let's move to my chamber for memorandum. Move it. Move it. Go. I am right behind you.
Because of ordinary block, I said I can't help my ministry. They disturb me.
Excuse me. I tried to withdraw your attention over there, but you didn't really take notice of me. And I also saw the guy molesting you over there. And to me, you look innocent. What actually happened? Eh?
Because I enter his site and collect a small block to help my ministry.
Sorry, ice block or...
No, block. I just help him carry the block out of the site. Site to help my ministry. He just scatter. They fight me on the road. Under a block. In fact, his wife is the next target.
You know what? You have to sue him to court. Yes, I was standing as a voice for you. Yes, you have to sue him.
What do I go sue him for?
Oh, a whole lot. You sue him for bringing your name to the mud 1.
Iche.
Character assassination 2.
Ma'am.
Character defamation 3. To mention but a few. I can also, even if you stole the block, I can still turn the case against him and he will be guilty of the offense and now pay you damages, which is a lot of money.
Pay me?
Yes.
Well, I will be very happy.
But you have to, we call it in the cost of law, we call it honorarium.
Madam Barrister, you will get block.
You didn't
say I get money I go to steal another person's property. Eh?
Hey.
I no get.
Yeah. Okay, you go there steal another person's property. That means you've agreed you stole. You've pleaded guilty even when you've not reached the court.
Tap. I collected. Not stole. I collected.
I put it to you, you're a criminal.
Chineke.
Yes, you stole the blocks. And I'm suing you to court. Now!
You put it to me?
Yes.
Because I no get money. I beg, if you have money, give me. I don't get anything. I don't even.
Akụkọ ifo onye na-ekwunu onye na-akọ ife akụkọ ifo onye na-ekwunu onye na-akọ ife akụkọ ifo nwanne
ọbụkwa akụkọ ifo akụkọ na-egwu
Mr. Ejike, I want you to repeat after me that whatsoever you are going to say in this Honorable Mobile Divisional Court is going to be the truth and nothing but the truth.
Barrister, all these things where they sing, it too long for me. Eh? Let's take it, one after the other.
Yeah, please. I understand. Now repeat after me again. I, Mr. Ejike.
I, Mr. Ejike.
I promise this Honorable Mobile Court that whatsoever I am going to say here will be the truth and nothing but the truth.
I promise that whatever I'm going to say in this Mobile Honorable Court will be the truth and nothing but the truth.
Then if I dare lie against this Honorable Mobile High Court, may God kill me.
If I dare lie against this Honorable Mobile Court,
may God kill you.
May God kill me.
Better. Can I have it?
Barrister, you assured me that you will help me and jail that idiot.
Mr. Ejike,
yes.
Leave that to me. Mr. Okechukwu is already smelling in the jail because I, a government well dignitized, defined, interrogated, and disfigured lawyer was sent to this village to set people free. And I cannot sit here and watch some loopholes, some dirty, ingrate, non-entitized, monetized iniquity to venture into my own abdomen and then take what belongs to me, whereby there is law abiding and guiding the citizens of this honorable disputed high court. I can no longer take it. So Mr. Okechukwu is already in jail. But before your case will be forcefully taken to the higher rankers, you are going to pay some money in order to secure your adequate inconjunctional limited. Number one, you are going to pay for appearing to the court first. Then after paying that, you pay for case entering. You're going to pay for case entering. Then you pay for lawyer suit. After that, you pay the judge fuel money, which is if you calculate everything, it will give us like about 120,000 naira.
Jesus Christ.
And again,
Barrister, that money is too much now. Eh? Where on earth do you want me to go and cough out a whole 120,000? Hey, it's too much. Okay, see, I beg you, if that be the case, I don't want this case again. Let's forget it, I beg you, please. Can I go now?
Come, will you come back here? Will you just come and step back here? Are you asking? Are you suffering from awkward personality? Are you an ingrate? Are you stupid? How dare you walk out on me like that? Do you take me what do you take me for? Do I look like you as one of those wretched, incorporated, untrained, disabled, myopic lawyers? I am a government approved barristers. You dare not come to me and then lay your case and you want to walk away like that. See, let me warn you. If you must walk away just like that, if you don't want this case to be proceeded to the state of a state of emergency, you are going to pay a total sum of 30,000 naira for appearing before the Honorable High Court of Chief Judge. What then?
Sorry, please. Barrister, I don't mean to insult you. Hey! Please, I don't mean to insult you. Don't turn this whole thing against me. Eh? Like I said, I don't want this whole case again. I don't want it. As for the money you mentioned, 30,000, I will pay. I will pay. I beg you, please. Please.
Hey, you don't make me look stupid. You don't make me look awkward. You don't make me look peradventure. If I then phone Abuja, your own is gone.
Please don't.
Go and make inquiries about me. I'm a peaceful and lawful hand.
Barrister, please. Like I said, I will pay. I'm sorry. Oh, please. This is the money.
How much is there?
Is 30,000
complete?
Yes.
Nonsense. Drop it here. Drop it to the court. Drop it in the court full box. You don't take people for granted. That I was sent here to help you people is for the good of you, the people, by the people, and into the people.
Can I go now?
You can go, but next time don't try this. You can try it because I'm a Christian. I'm a lawful, abided personality. I have a practical intellectuality inside me.
Thank you. Sorry, sorry.
Get out of here.
Sorry.
The strength I used on you, I would have used it to solve about 7-8 cases. Onye riri eriela ya. Onye riri eriela ya. Eji ike cheki ya ma eriri ga-eri. Egbelugo gbagbukwe gị. Nghọta ndị lọya ka na-esi eri ego. Naanị English esiri asị gị siri ego. Ebe otu abụọ atio anọ ise isii asaa asatọ asatọ iri. Ebe ụwa ka gị tọkata gị na chi gị. Mgbe na-asị this world is created with mineral and resource. Ya mineral ya ka m naanị ihe. Resource ya ka nọrọgodo. Ma e mere bụ ụlọ ịbanye towards the resources arena of this world. Mana nke a mineral resources. Them the devil. Ibrahim gbokwa ala wakwa gị anya. A ga-eli gị n'ala ahụ.
Akụkọ ifo. Onye na-ekwunu onye na-akọ ife. Akụkọ ifo. Onye na-ekwunu onye na-akọ ife. Akụkọ ifo. Akụkọ ifo nwanne m ọ bụkwa akụkọ ifo. Akụkọ ifo. Akụkọ na-egwu akụkọ na-egwu. Akụkọ ifo. You have the idea na IMO wife.
How far? This one way they waka like a masquerade where rain beat. How did it go? Did anybody register case in your hand?
This business don't they get killed?
How?
Say how? Nothing today now.
So all this thing where you come out for this house since morning, keep walking her. You get shoe, quite you waka finish for the whole village, nobody register case for your hand, and you see leg take the comeback for this house.
See, as market no day, it be like say go do promo.
Promo?
Hey now.
For which business?
For this thing now, for our business. Shebi if you dey sell market, if that market no dey move, wetin you dey do? No be promo. That person go do promo now, as they talk, buy one get one free. This one bring 3 cases and solve one free.
Wow.
See?
Look at all the people chere dey chicheke. Thunder, what you kwa gina I know anya. You want better, I say one get one. Which kind of nonsense suggestion be that one? For law court. He can give me a court case promo. When if you enter now, what you go tell people? If you have 3 cases, bring one, we go solve it for you. If you solve one free, you go take. No thinking for cut. I think say when by this time I think say by now you go down they migrate from better to better, but you are going behind, back and backest. You're getting from worst to worster, and from worster you are going to land into worst.
I don't see you. I beg no shout for me. Every small thing gonna shout for me.
Why no go shout?
I don't see you where get brain. I don't see you where get brain. Meanwhile, give me my own share of the money.
Which money?
They ask me.
Which money?
My 15,000 naira. Should they give you 30,000?
Who give you 30,000 naira?
See this one. Hey! I'm on Manya. This one not be that your police work. Where you take my brain to do 10. You know work again, no? I see this boy. What be his name? This boy wear black like Anya. Ejike. I see Ejike for road. He just they grumble. They complain. I say what happen, no? He say, Barrister IMO come collect 30,000 naira from your hand for misguiding the court. Uncle Jack. Oh, who 30,000 naira? Who buy Garaganaka? Namlewakam. You might give me my money, Joe. Biaimo. Okay,
you say you don't say you no get sense for head. So you come out this morning. Since morning you dress no coat to blalo on Friday. I sent you out to go and look for work. We come out all of us dressed like reasonable people. I go out there and I come back as reasonable man I am. Give Sheba her poor and you came back as a loose-guarded personality you are. Without cover. Stupid woman. Come on, come and take it. Monkey they chop, bamboo they eat. Monkey where they walk. Bamboo you better eat. To tell them go no hija na make.
Now what you dey tell me?
Now what I go tell you?
I go get GK house now.
Go do it.
He ask me tell what thing I go do, you know concern you. If I reach there, no thing I go tell her.
What you go tell her?
Me and you not see nothing like lockout here. We are getting on the low. My high money. Come on, you got go. I alone legit. No, be talk am na still talk am. My money.
I should give you money. I no blame you. Stupid. Okay. Come and take money.
Huh?
If not be said, now come and take money and make I see you. Hey, I didn't hear I'm gonna buy a gumnagane.
Yeah.
In case you ain't gonna buy free.
Oh, come.
You got more you wouldn't solve for case. They are getting much what I can't the game. Hamna. Leave me, oh.
Come.
Leave me.
Give me my money, Joe. This is not the police case, so I don't learn my lesson. See, if you don't pay me, I go return back to the village. Go tell them where you did.
So wait. Are you holding a barrister of law? A barrister behind bar. You're holding me like you're holding me on my waist.
Sugar, no. Charge and bail. Police will charge.
Hamna. Leave me.
Is it better?
You see him? You see it? Leave me, John. Leave
me, John. Let's say give me my money. Huh? My money? Money for hand, babe.
I beg you know say sometimes if I look at you like this, I'm gonna say you be good wife.
Onye na-ekwu no onye na-akọ ife akụkọ ifo nwanne m ọ bụkwa akụkọ ifo akụkọ na-egwu
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, my name is Noah, and I've been looking forward to seeing you. In fact, for me, this is very, very auspicious.
You are still a student of lawyering.
Student of law.
Okay. Nice meeting you too.
It's my pleasure.
You see, in this profession is not easy.
Oh, really?
And anybody that found himself at the bottom of this academics instincts should go and thank God.
Well, anyway, you are still a baby lawyer. You're still a student.
Yes.
We have graduated and we are a practitioners.
Oh, nice.
Yes, it is not easy winning a case.
Yes, well, I know. I know that, barrister. I know that. I'm also in handling and winning cases. I understand. Yes, sir. So, which university did you school in?
You said?
Where did you school? Which university?
You mean me?
Yes.
Oh, splendid. I schooled in the University of Calabar.
University of Calabar?
Yes, University of Calabar.
Wow!
Yes.
University of Calabar?
Yes.
Wow, what a great coincidence. The same university I am attending.
You too?
Yes, I am a student of law in University of Calabar. Very nice.
You mean University of Calabar or Unical?
Oh, they're both the same. University of Calabar. Unical for short, yes. Yes.
Oh, what a transparent, brilliant, coincidental study we had.
It is a happenstance, really, if you ask me. So, do you know any any of our lecturers, Mr. Asian, that handled administrative law?
No, nothing of such. Nothing of such. I don't know anybody like that.
Then you will know VC, Professor.
You see, all the teachers that taught me during my time, they are all gone. Yes, from the beginning to the end. In fact, the last time I visited the school, everywhere changed in my eyes. I was just standing in between the two walls. I was looking like a bamboo because I did not recognize anything again. All of them died at a spot. Immediately, I was announced as a winner of a barristering, or immediately I was called to chamber.
Called to bar, sir?
Yes, called to bar, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Called to bar.
Yes.
Sometimes you can use chamber because of the commingling of educational system of
sir.
then
Okay.
and now.
Okay.
You can now mix the two together.
Okay.
Calling to chamber are for those who are already in the chamber, but call to bar are already the people already existing under and inside the bar. So the two of them have.
when you're through from law school.
My friend, they are the same thing. Like I was saying.
Yes, sir.
All my teachers died at a spot. In fact, after my graduation, I was about going to pay them a courtesy visit. After my graduation, I wanted to go to their houses from one after the other to say thank you for teaching me well. Wow. VC gone so soon.
Wow.
Course rape gone so soon. Gone so soon. Just like this. All of them died at a spot.
But our lecturers are still. They have not gone so soon. They are still alive.
That is your own lecturer. I'm talking about my lecturers.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Very unfortunate.
Oh, unfortunate indeed.
Unfortunate.
Unfortunate indeed.
Okay, sir. I understand you, sir. So, how do I get to see you again, sir? How can I come to your house?
Yes, you said?
Sorry, sir. When did you graduate?
Are you all right? No. Are you okay? Were you sent to come and interview me or what?
I do, sir.
No. You don't ask me such questions. We are not men.
Your lecturers are dead.
When a senior colleague is talking, the former colleague don't talk. You are a former colleague. I am a senior colleague here. So you don't question me anyhow.
I'm a junior colleague. I'm not even a colleague, sir. I'm still a student, sir.
Objection overruled. I am not your mate. You don't ask me such questions.
Sorry, sir.
You are coming with some respect. I'm coming with some respect. Must you know everything about me? Were you sent?
No, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Sir, please, I know you're a celebrated lawyer and that has won celebrated cases. Not so, sir.
Go to Uganda and ask about me. Go to Liberia. Go to Ekpoma. The case in between Uganda and Afra here. I was the lawyer whom government picked. I went. I lawyered. I came home victoriously. Any case I step in my foot, that case must be a loser's case. Yeah, when the case, the oppositioners loses.
Sir, sorry to interject, sir, but that means you either must be from Rotimi Williams Chambers or Gani Faremi Chambers.
The two of them, I am from the both chambers. I can never come from one. I am from what's his name? Williams. Yes, he was my lecturer then. Before his death, he was not in uni.
This is that my friend I was telling you about that has a problem. See how you can barrister in her to help her.
My case, so my brother-in-law, he have taken all my properties. The last one, and they want to sell everything. I need you people to help me. You should be president. Which property?
Which property?
Land. Allah.
Are you sure the land belongs to you or your husband?
It's my late husband's land.
Your husband is dead.
He's dead.
Your husband is dead.
Yes.
Are you sure the land belongs to you?
It belongs to me.
Did he write a will on your name before he died? Do you have children?
Yes.
You have children?
Yes.
He will everything unto you.
Everything.
To you or to his children?
To us.
Oh, see, I'm going to go will it. How many acres of land?
5 acres.
Okay.
Madam, as it stands now, your case is very, very hypothetic. Yes. According to the law system and law language, your case is very, very hypothetic. And when case is hypothetic, it becomes paramount. Exactly. According to the book of law, the Act of Law, 1986. / during the time of Abacha.
Was it Abacha? Yeah, was Shonekon.
Oh God.
Shonekon.
God. During the time of Shonekon. Oh shit.
Of his blessed memory.
Your head is acumen. During his time, we had a land dispute like this. I did not appear before court. I am here. This is my cause. This is what I'm called for. I am called under bar.
Yes.
To bar potassium.
Thank you. Exactly.
Now I am here for your case. See, as I am here now, I can kill anybody for your case. I can go to anywhere for your case. As I am here, I can jump into judiciary court
for your case.
I can go to American court, tell American court and army, bundle them to Nigeria just to come and fight for your case.
Thank you.
So my learned colleague, tell her Heja what is it?
Good. Criterias, or rather criterion. You are two now sitting together. Criterion, ministerial, consultational, and barristerial fee. I didn't say whopping sum. Tipens. When I say whopping sum, we are talking about bulky money. But this time around, I'm saying tipens. That means a little bit. Understand? So you are going to pay a tipens of 40,000 naira. Thank you.
40. Mama Choma. It's in 40,000 money. Because I'm going to for the here. Oh, 20.
You have the idea. Now, IMO wife. IMO and wife.
Manage the
claiming to be son.
The kind of amount you're mentioning. When the people who have worked with hear it, they'll be so flabbergasted. And I wouldn't want that.
God go catch you one day in Anuo.
Anyway, to summarize the case, you are going to win the case already. Go and bring the money, but mind you, and have it at the back of your mind, that once the land, since it's 5 acres of land, we are giving you 3, and 2 belong to the barristerings.
My own money now. See, I need in the mother. You know, I give me go naka. If not, na me go dey hold the money. Oh yeah. This one no be police work.
Fake lawyers.
Search the open eyes. What will be your own problem? Which money they ask me of? Am I not your husband? I am your husband. I owe you. I owe your money. Everything about you belongs to me as a barrister of law that is called to bar. So you don't come and open eyes for me. How dare you?
Mickey get down lawyer. Me, I'm a fine high work. I'm going to give me my own money now as it dey hot. I'm not there for story. If that's from grammar. You go on, sir. Chukwu ka ngwa gị awụtụkwa no police. I'm to opera police apụpụ gị ahụ. Ọpụpụ gị ahụ mana aga m ameshi gị ya. I'm just throw it out. Meshi gị ya. Ọbụla na ego. Ime go mbikọ amụnala m akọ. Give me my own money now. I go talk wetin we be o. I go talk wetin we be o. Once you don't reach money, go open eye. Now that time you go remember say you be head of the family. You owe me. My body belongs to you.
Okay. This is 5,000 naira. Hold on. Which kind of nonsense talk? Take the 5,000.
You get 5,000 naira waiting. I beg 5 money give me. I go give me 5,000 naira. I dey go back to boarding school. Give me my money. I go talk. This will not be your pension and gratuity. Nothing concern your pension and gratuity for this one. Give me my money.
Hey, this is 20,000 naira. Hold on.
If I can't, you know that you no go like me.
As you don't collect this money now, the serious matter of the matter be say you go to pay rent, or you go rent another place where you go there they do your barristering. That my grandmama house can no longer condole or contain two of us because I am a forceful lawyer that has BCD in degree. So you can never step your foot into that my grandmother.
When my HIV in the degree, demonic forces, you're a forceful lawyer, do more for a while. No sure.
For my grandmama place.
Yes.
My home going gang.
My fellow woman.
You go parent. You go parent. That is not your barristering grant. How you go tell me say you go come from my mama house? Give me me go.
Don't reach money. See, I don't open eye. If they do me since I keep quiet. This one.
Objection overruled, my dear.
Objection sustained. Nonsense.
Move now. Who don't talk? Barrister Konkusa. Mana go into the same chamber. I bring Rakana this. If you know parents, you go see what I'll do.
This one that you paid us condolence visit. Did you bring any case to our chamber?
Court visit, you mean, ma? Yes, I am a law student in my finals, actually.
Oh! Now I get it.
Yes.
You come to meet us so that we can teach you how to lawyer.
No, madam, no. You see, the head of this chamber is my friend, your senior lawyer.
Head of chamber?
Yes.
Senior lawyer?
Yes. Barrister Imo, yes.
It's the two of us that is chambering here. We are chambering here together. And he's not the senior. As you're looking at me now, we have barristered together. In fact, I and my husband, we have been barristering together for a very long time. Yes. There is no kind of case we have not judged.
Judged? Oh, madam, are you trying to say that there are no kind of cases you have not actually attended to?
You see the same thing? Okay, I understand. You are still a law student.
Yes, please.
So you don't understand lawyering languages. Ceteris paribus. Lawyering languages. Did you see the rhyming scheme?
Yes, ceteris paribus. All things being equal. Okay, ma, please, when have you been called to bar?
Bar?
Yes, when were you called to bar?
I don't understand you, honestly. A law student? What you concern bar? Are you going on me? When you talk of bar, it's my husband that normally go to bar to drink, not me. Not me, and it can never be me.
No, madam. You're misunderstanding me. I mean, when were you called into bar?
Bar. Student, ishokoto, I will make managano koto. Ishokoton.
Excuse
me? On him hoga. On his muba. Eh? What an aggressive question! Because I've been giving you listening ear. Eh?
What I mean is when you're practicing. When did you start practicing?
That is what I'm saying. The question is aggressive. Huh? You asked me the first question. I answered. We are not practicing lawyers. I and my husband, we are not practicing lawyers. What we are, competent and barristering citaris paribus. I told you before. I told you this before.
No, madam. I came on a very friendly note. I beg to take my leave.
You can't just come in and just jump into my... Please. Don't indulge into my indulgence.
Sorry.
Okay,
Shut up your mouth.
You are holding?
Must you know everything?
What is inside this bag?
What is inside this bag?
Must you know everything?
Okay, I want to see it.
Leave my bag.
I want to
Leave
see
my
it.
bag.
Okay,
I have something to know. I'll beat you here. I'll beat you here. Leave my bag in the house.
Open this bag.
You open this bag.
Madam.
Good afternoon, barrister.
You say what think I did come?
Now, my son, where
Wetin
they
do?
on the channel do business.
Didn't die?
No.
Okay, what thing done?
You get police case for the goods where you buy from them. So they come arrest her. Right now, there for police station. So now I come.
Police station
They-
for where?
For nature. So I dey hear about you people and the cases you are handling. That's why I came to see you. So that we go on nature, go bail am for me.
Police?
Yes.
Onitsha?
Yes.
Wow.
Otu Onitsha no.
What a destination. Oh, what a destination. And when they boss out men were got a sound on Onitsha go. Nimo Onitsha ko n'elu Onitsha.
Na Mbuka Onitsha. Azụ afọ na Mbuka.
And when a lawyer behind the Mbuka market. You know how Mbuka? Right behind after Mbuka. That ever cemetery hand. The lawyer was and down then Mbuka man, he never was Mbuka. Behind Leban cemetery hand.
Ono na house in the lawyer for
Na chere no ka agwa ga ebi ga ikpe ga dị soft. Ihe ahụ ya na. Lawyer wala nwere speci.
Ya grow up.
Automobile barristers. We are not just ordinary barristers.
So you mean you people cannot handle the case or what?
No.
It is not our area of specialty.
Yeah.
So I have to go now.
Madam.
So all these things that are talking about you in this village, it's like you people are.
Look, you cannot force us. Therefore, you cannot indulge into our indulgence.
Can you pay us?
Okay, no problem. I have the money to pay, but since you don't want to go with me, I think I can go. No problem.
Okay, please change my pictures. Move. Leave.
Kanjeven.
So what? Ogumagala. You told me to get up.
Your son Gazito should give you back to come pepper there. September was captured in Hockey Web. That was the topic, headline news. Indicate the goal. Then you.
Mother. Good evening.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Make yourself comfortable.
Okay. Thank you very much, madam.
Yes.
Thank you very, very much.
You are welcome.
Yes.
Once upon a time.
Thank you.
Your frequential visits to our chamber these days is so enormous and voluminous at the same time. I hope we are safe. Or you have any case at hand?
Oh, no, madam. No, not at all. Not at all. I have an extensively Herculean and gargantuan project I would like you to help me look into. I've been finding it very difficult to comprehend this, and I wish you could help me decipher what approach I could use to bring up the thesis.
Decipher?
Yes, please.
Well, if you ask me, the answer lies in your hand, because you already know that it is at the cyber cafe. But since you've already come,
yes,
and if that assignment, if it has to do with the law,
yes,
then I'm equal to the task.
No, we are, with all due respect. I know that. You and your husband are erudite scholars of law. Yes, and I know that I am very, very covered.
Of course, you are covered by the blood.
Blood? No, what I mean is, I know you can help me look through it and then see how we can grab it.
You know my joy, yes, and my happiness at the same time.
Yes,
you are a law student.
Yes, please.
I don't know if they've taught you anything about hierarchy. Hierarchy. In the court, maybe they used another word. It's a question of semantics.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
There's something they call hierarchy.
Okay.
That is department by department.
Okay.
Step by step.
Okay.
So this law, this area. Thank you very much. This area of law now, is it on the area of automobile law, autopsy law, gravitational law?
No, madam. You see, this one is it has to do with all areas, an amalgamation of different areas of law. So I want you to help me, see if you can help me elucidate further. Elucidate.
Okay. I was thinking my client that just left, Lucy.
Okay.
The amalgamation part,
yes,
is for my husband. That is area of specialty, honestly.
Amalgamations. Your husband's area of specialty is
exactly,
amalgamation.
Yes.
No, I mean amalgamation is a bringing together of, different areas of. What I mean is different areas of law that has to do with humanity.
What actually happened was that, like I said before, it's a question of semantics.
Yes.
Choice of word.
All right.
Semantics.
So, madam, I know that you can help me do this. In fact, you can help me give this to your husband. I'm sure he can also look into it and then do something about it.
That won't be
I'll
a
be
problem.
coming first thing tomorrow morning to collect it.
Don't be offensive.
Okay.
I would have helped you, just that the exact time you are supposed to come and pick up your assignment,
yes,
is when I have hearing.
Okay, that's
and
no problem.
we're talking about high court.
I'm sure your husband will do a very good job on it.
He will do justice.
Nice.
And injustice at once.
Thank you very, very much.
Yes.
I appreciate it. I know you will do a very good. You are scholars, law scholars, legal professionals.
Erudite scholars.
Okay, erudite scholars. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome once upon a time.
Yes. Yes, once upon a time.
Angelina oje late, ọla late. Amụtatakwara m ihe n'aka ya, ara diet scholar.
Yeah, are you still outside? Babe.
Listen, babe. I'm going on a cracker. Babe.
What happened? What is the problem?
Makachine Kremona go so wrong for now. You get client. Then I go. Okay, say him now.
I want to mean what is it? Getting home. What happened?
That barman. Sorry, some barman. Law student came here and he brought cola. Here is it, my lordship, sir.
What is this?
I
mean, what is this? What is this for?
Our assignment. He said they gave them assignment in school, so he brought it for you to help him decipher it. That was the word he used. Help me decipher and amalgamate it.
For waiting?
Listen, for waiting.
You didn't go lawyer?
You're a practicing lawyer.
Which kind of nonsense practicing lawyer be that one? You didn't go on your lawyer? Or you mother on your imagine him inside of me. Do I look like you like a lawyer? When you go collect assignment of lordship, make a come decipher. You didn't go your hand.
You Lucifer. Decipher it.
Angelina.
Late.
Angelina. 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 How many times did I call you? I don't know what you get with that boy. Now for this kind of thing, innocent go do assignment. Assignment are they hear me? You know they do his own assignment in the afternoon. You know see me for road. You know tell him where I go make him find me come here. Angelina. Angelina. Kuba ogo na ndị practicing lawyer. Agala ha lawyer ga ihe n'ime o. Agala ha lawyer ga ihe n'ime beware.
No just topic. No just change topic because inte mi say early momo ọ ga-ama awa abịa. Ọ ga-anwa ọkwa n'aka. Tupu oke ọkpa na-ekwele kwekọrọ oko. Lekwe bam boy. Ihu logo. Assignment. Kuchikpom.
That boy ga-anwụ nga. Amegbudie nga ga-ekpọ m onye oshi. Ngo yiri law school. You a lecturer. Do I look like you like a lecturer who lecture people in lawyering? Okay, what do I know I will write for him? Eh? Anyham get then go back.
You cannot indulge in those indulgences. Cough dismissed.
You got such a came on there. I'm going to say because I cannot. Mind yourself, I don't want to put that one. I'm not going to have it done one and I get from
Barrister IMO. Are you going out?
No. I am coming in. As you can see, I want to lie down. That is bed meant for me. I want to succumb. Why do you frequent here for crying out loud? Eh? Do we run this chamber together?
No, barrister. On the contrary, I have only come to see you. Oh, sorry. Did your wife give you the project I wanted you to extensively look into for me?
Did my wife give me a project?
Yes.
You want me to extensively look into it for you?
Yes, please.
Do I look to you like a helper? You didn't go on your bondinja. You didn't go on your castle bindana now. You didn't go on your Makando to Christy. Do I look to you like a poor lawyer that doesn't have work? Of course, you should know my level of loyalty in this community. You know the kind of cases I handle. I am a case. There is so many cases on my head. How do you expect me to sit down here and start looking into your own paper, ordinary paper and kitty, where you know there are a lot of copies of files packed on my desk for me to handle? See, let me tell you, whatever you want in this house, you will not see it. I am not a cheap barrister. I'm a barrister with high profile. I'm a barrister with a awkward intellectual perpetuality. So anytime you want to let me talk, my learned colleagues. Let me talk. When I talk, you don't talk. I'm a sound by profession. I am a sound, a BCC sound, a BYC sound. I am also a RIP sound. Oh yeah, yes, you agreement at school. Just certificate here, but don't make me look diabolic. I am not. How dare you? Sorry. Objection, my lord.
Yes, please. I am sorry, barrister. I only wanted to key into your much cherished experience as a lawyer and a son.
You want to key in?
Yes.
There is no key in my own loyalty. My own lawyering department, there is no key. If you want to key, you can go to borehole. You can go to Federal ATM Bank and go and queue up. There's no queue here. This academics intellectual perpetuality, I grabbed it on my own by myself and with myself. I am not dragging it with anybody. Don't make me look stupid. Don't let me shout all the time. This is a barrister with high profile, a dignitized prostitution. I said prostitution. Don't make me look stupid.
Barrister, I thought you were a celebrity.
I am!
Celebrity lawyer.
That is what I am.
That has won celebrated cases.
Yes!
So I wanted to share your experience.
There's no experience here. If you want to share with anybody's experience, you can go to court. Go back to your lecturers. Let them share their experience with you. The people I shared their own experience with me, they are no longer here. So please mind how you frequent here. If I step out, you step in. I don't need. From bringing book. Be warned.
This question you're asking me, where will I start from? My husband is sick. He has running stomach. Tax force fevers. Name them. Antonio.
What have you done? What have you done towards that?
I gave him drugs last night because the thing started gradually. But because he's somebody that loves his profession with so much dearly, he insisted. As you can see, he has already prepared.
I can see he's prepared to go to court now.
To go to court. So I gave him the drugs yesterday night to prepare him down against today. He vomited everything at the backyard. Look at the water now.
No. What are we going to do since he's supposed to be in court today?
No. Are you listening to yourself? I'm telling you, my husband is down. You're talking about court.
Since he cannot go to court, why not go and represent him at the court? Asumeni.
It's not as if I cannot go and represent him. But if I leave, who will take care of him? Okay,